Hi, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC out here in the Oaks in Nokomis, Florida. And today we're going to show you the pond clean out we did there the other day. And it's all finished and trimming up the plants and everything. Here's what the yard looks like. It looks really nice, super. She likes it kind of wild looking, and there's all the plants that we put in and stuff. Here's the pond. All the lilies are coming back up again. Here's the urns. They're all bubbling and nice and clean. Now we'll walk over this way here, and I'll show you the stream bed. Here's the little fall there, that one, I don't know if you remember, but Nicole and I had to repair this one here. The liner was just laid in there, so we rebuilt everything. Built a lip to go over and put the new liner and everything in there. And here's some of the flowers that we put in. Put in some flowers. That's the copper plants that we trimmed down. Have already started growing. I use a product. It's all manure. I don't know cow manure, but it's all manure. It's all organic, and I get it at Lowe's. The name of it has slipped my mind, but I'll have to get the name of it out there. It works really, really good. I use it once a month. It's $7 and something for a bag, and a bag goes a long ways, and you can't burn the roots on your plants. Now here's the urns and stuff here. You can see the stream bed's working great. The white is just a little algae off I put on there. Fill out some of the stuff that is coming back, but it's got to go through the cycle again. The pond has to go through the cycle. Here's some more of the plants that we put in, and see how nice they are. These are buttercups. I don't know if I'm going to leave them in here because these buttercups, if you can see them, they get to be pretty big. They'll get to be over a foot tall, but in this situation it may be good, but I don't want it to overpower the salvia. I want the salvia to be the main focus on here. Here's a pond. There's a nice night bloomer coming up here, and that's where we're going to put the canister filter over there. That's another job. We've got to get that done, get that in here, because right now there's no filtration system in here. And you can see just from the time this is how many babies that they've had from the time that we started cleaning this out to now. We only put in probably about 20 of the big ones, and there may have been some smaller babies that got in here. But since then, they've been having babies. But now, here's what it looks like. Here's the overview of the pond. Nice fall colors. I like that. Kind of reminds me of back home in Maine. And here's the waterfall in the urn. We got that all. We had to refoam everything and redo everything because it was just floating out the back. The waterfall box is just too small. But still, if you can see, it's just lapping the edge of the top of that waterfall box. I don't know if you can see that or not. Be careful because these rocks will slip. But it's just lapping the edge of that. I'd like to put in a new biofalls. I think that's what she needs. A biofalls and a canister filter, I think would help. A new biofalls and a canister filter would help this pond out a lot. Well, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC, and I hope everybody has a great day. We've already hit the hundreds. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.